Before we get started with showing the use of the steam cleaner and all that it does, I want to show the attachments here that it comes with. The large one obviously is going to be for bigger spaces like upholstery or even carpet stains, and then you have the exact same one but a little bit smaller. I would prefer to use that one in tighter areas or in the car. And then you have some smaller ones that are used for steam cleaning stuff like, baseboards and door frames and stuff like that. I love that this did come with its own cleaning solution. Now moving the machine a little bit closer, the top tank here is the clean tank and the bottom tank is the dirty tank, and they are super simple. You're just going to take the clean tank off here, unscrew this cap to fill with water in your cleaning solution. Dirty tank is the same. Take it off here and screw this to empty it. Something else I want to show is how to attach and detach the different heads. Super simple to attach and detach the different head options. Just push on, and your power buttons are here. So the machine needs to be turned on, and then you also are going to turn it on here, and you also have a sprayer button there. To detach, simply pull it off. This option can be used to steam door frames that have got a lot of buildup on them. The door frames that have creases and crevices that just build up with a lot of dust. I'll also try to show you that in use. You could also use it to steam baseboards. And with this option, you can also utilize this scrub tool just by putting that on the end, and you can scrub and steam at the same time. So what's my final thoughts on the steam cleaner? Two things. One thing I really like and one thing I really don't like. Let's start with the one thing I really like. With the brush head attachments like this, I love that you can take this piece off to clean under here. A lot of vacuums and steam cleaners do not have this option, and this plate gets really dirty looking, and there's no option to clean it out other than to maybe stick like a pipe cleaner under there. I love that these are made so that all the areas can be cleaned. Now, the one thing I don't love is with all of these attachments, there's no bag, there's no carry case or anything to store those. So I'm gonna have to find my own. That's the one thing I wish the company would include. It's just some sort of little carry case bag so I can put all of my attachments together and carry it all in one spot.